Today I will show you how to cook a very yummy jackfruit soup. สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe I have a jackfruit tree in my garden and I saw a couple of days ago some jackfruit is ready to eat. So today I decided to show you how to cook a very local Northern Thai food. When I say local, it's because if you go to south of Thailand, for example, you cannot find this recipe only in north. And have you ever heard about this before? Tell me in the comments. Oh, and by the way, if you want to have explanation for April Fool's Day joke, make sure you watch until the end. Alright, are you ready? Let's go! This is a jackfruit tree. It's very common in Thailand. When the jackfruit is ripe, we use it as a fruit. But when it's not ripe yet, we use as cooking, like this recipe. Alright, let's cut it. First, I will put oil cover my knife because it will help to cut the jackfruit easier. I will cut this one because this is the only one I can, for my height, Okay. Oh, why I cover my knife with oil? Because did you see the white things in jackfruit that it can stick in your knife? But after I put oil, you see, nothing stick. Back to cooking. Before I start, advice, we should wear gloves. But since I cannot find one, I will use plastic bag to cover my hands from the glue. It will stick in your hands for real. And I will cover my knife with oil again. I will do like this first. Cover with your glove and also like this. After you cut it, you rub it with oil again. We will remove all the skin and remove the one in the middle because we cannot eat it. We will eat just only this meat here. Now I will make a paste. Add shallot in the mortar, also with garlic and dry chili. We will add some salt in the mortar as well. And then pound it well. Add shrimp paste. And last, add fermented fish paste. Now we just take out the leaf from crumbing wattle and after that start to cooking. Boil water. Put your meat and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Once your meat is cooked, add paste. And then add tomato. Also our jackfruit. Once we put everything in the soup, we let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes only. Just make sure that you put the jackfruit under the soup. Now is a good time to taste your soup. Oh, it's hot. I think for me, I need more fermented fish sauce. I'm a big fan of it, so I will add 1 more tablespoon. Okay. For the sweetness and for sour, we have it from our fresh tomato. So I think it's good already. Almost done. Last step, we have to add our crumbing wattle. Yes. After we add crumbing wattle, we will add the herb leaf from Chiang Mai. So we just prawn it like this. Stir. Is done. I will try with everything in one bite. You have a salty, a bit sour, and a little bit sweet in one soup. And the jackfruit is very, very tender. But I think this recipe is not for everyone. I want the opinion from foreigners, people.
I'm actually quite curious as well because just the smell is... It doesn't smell like the kind of food I enjoy the most. It's actually the first time in my life I tried jackfruit. And it's not bad, I like it. Now the sauce, I'm not a big fan of fermented fish things. So yeah, this is definitely very local.
Most of the soup, they will put it. Even nam phik ong, you know? Nam phik ong, we also add shrimp paste. And if you want to see more Chiang Mai recipe, we also have khao soi, nam phik ong. Yeah, maybe C can put a link around here. Yes?
It's not bad, but it's not my favorite either.
But it's my favorite. By the way, we want to explain them, right, about April Fool's Day jokes. Yeah.
So just for my background, I'm a 3D and VFX artist. So I will put somewhere on the screen a little breakdown. The jokes, yes, the jokes, because it was many jokes couple of days before, pretending we started to buy a lot of stuff. But obviously we didn't. Everything we bought was just 3D objects that I rendered and composed into real images.
As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell or leave us a comment.
Or both.
Or both, that, yes. And very important, shove that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Yeah, you.
Yes, I like it. I love it.